What's up, YouTube? This is Josh here, and I got my smoked out LED side markers in. I'm going to be installing those today. Super easy install. I'm going to show the car real quick. It's a 2019 Chevy Camaro, and we'll go from there. So here's my 2019 Chevy Camaro RS. It is a 1LT. It's already got some of the smoked out features on it that came with it, the tail lights, and I actually added this feature here. When I press the brake, this is the third brake light, it will light up my last name. Just a simple vinyl strip. So yeah, it's crushed orange. And this is what I'm going to be replacing all four side markers here. Amber in the front and red in the back. And I think the smoked out option I picked will set off the stripes really nice. So let's get started. So sorry it's been a while, but I literally had something come up the other day, so I had to continue this video a different day. AKA why my outfit has changed. So we have our LED side markers from Diode Dynamics. This is the smoked out option. These run 160 bucks plus shipping, and I must say they arrived very fast. I ordered them on a Wednesday and I got them on a Friday from Missouri. So Missouri to Alabama, it's not the closest, but to arrive in 2 days is pretty fast. And I did not use UPS, I used the Postal Service. So pretty great on that. In order to do this install, you will need a T15 Torx bit. I did not personally have an attachment that could fit in between the tire and the wall. So I literally had to use pliers to hold this Torx bit in order to take the screws out. I have seen other people do this, so I'm not the only one. So now we'll take a look closer at the car and start this install. I already went ahead and installed the markers. It would have been hard to do on video. So I went ahead and installed these, but I'm gonna walk through the process. So, like I mentioned before, in the front and the back, you're gonna have amber in the front, red in the back. So these LEDs will have these markers on the side of them when you pull them out, and it'll say what color it is. So you know front to back. Every video I've seen previous to this, their Camaros had this little slit that they can reach up in and grab these clips to pop this out. There's a clip here and a clip here. My car, as you can see, does not have that slip, so it made it a little bit harder. I did notice that from the front, by the way, this is a 19 Camaro. From the front, I can reach all the way up in there and I can reach that clip. See if you can see it. There's a clip right there. I can reach it from here, but I cannot get the top clip. So in order to do that, I did have to use the T15 Torx bit and remove this screw, that screw, and I went ahead and just removed this one just in case I could not get that clip undone. And once popped out, you'll notice that there's an attachment plugged into here. And since these new ones are LEDs, the attachment is plugged into a bulb. So we undo that and we'll pull the bulb out and then plug the little LED strip in this new one into the attachment, plug it back in, twist it, pop it in. It's that simple. For the back, there is no way to get in from this side to pop this clip out like on the front. So I got some dirt there. So for the back, it's in my opinion easier. All we had to do was take this screw and that screw out, pull this out, and it's simple to pull out once you have these screws out, and just unclip the clips, pull it out, and do the same procedure as before with the bulb and plugging the LED strip back in. So we'll do that on all four side markers. And now I can plug the car, turn the car on and show you what they look like. All right, so we don't have to turn the car on to see the LED markers work. Let's just simply unlock it. The garage is closed, so I do not want to start the car. So here, you can see our amber, and we have a nice LED strip, and the smoked out does set off the stripes really well. Let's go back to the back, and here you can see our red and the smoked out as well. And these do look very nice at nighttime. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my car outside so we can actually see what these LED markers look like in the light. I'm also at the end gonna throw in a video of my previous install of my third brake light, my last name, just so you can see how that looks. It turned out very good, and I'm very happy with the way that looks. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll have more videos soon to come. All right, so I had to come back the next day because some things came up, but if you see, we got the black ones installed, and they look really nice. So let's see. The sun's so bright you can't see them. Yeah, it looks really nice.